When Leah moved into her new apartment, the previous tenant left one thing behind: an old landline phone mounted on the kitchen wall. It wasn't connected to anything. No dial tone. She left it as a vintage decoration. The first call came at 3:17 a.m. The phone rang. Not her cell, the dead landline. She stared at it, heart pounding. After 5 rings, it stopped. No voicemail. No trace. The next night, it rang again. Same time. 5 rings. Then silence. On the third night, she picked up. Static. Then a whisper. Don't answer tomorrow. She threw the phone away. At 3:17 a.m. the next night, it rang again, from the trash can. She didn't pick up. At 3:18 a.m., her cell phone rang. Unknown number. She answered. A voice said, "You shouldn't have listened." The next day, her apartment was empty. Only the phone remained. Still ringing.